Ankara, Turkish central bank cuts rates, lira to record low. Turkey's central bank agreed on Thursday to reduce the country's key interest rate, the one-week repo rate, from 15% to 14%, pushing the lira to a new record low of 15.5 to the dollar shortly after the announcement. The currency had already broken through 15 to the dollar in the hours leading up to the announcement, as markets expected a rate decrease. Just after 2 p.m. in Istanbul, the lira was trading at roughly 15.51 to the dollar. Inflation in the 84 million strong country has risen gradually as President Recep Tayyip Erdogan has refused to hike interest rates, reducing the purchasing power of Turks earning local incomes. To date, the lira has lost half of its value against the dollar. Investors and experts have been pleading with Erdogan to change course, but he has remained firm in his belief that raising interest rates worsens inflation rather than lowers it, as is the commonly held economic premise. The move comes after a string of rate cuts by the central bank, which markets perceive as being influenced by Erdogan, who has referred to interest rates as the mother of all evils. Turkey's central bank had earlier stated that it would intervene actively in the foreign exchange market on Monday to support the lira by selling dollars. Analysts, however, worry that the policy will work given the country's already low foreign exchange reserves. According to analysts, the current lira depreciation has been dubbed Turkey's second currency crisis in 3 years. As the lira breached what was then a record low of 4 and then 5 lira to the dollar in the first half of 2018, investors began to raise concerns about the central bank's lack of independence from Erdogan. At the moment, it was unthinkable to envisage the currency dropping below 15 to the dollar. And the rate of decline has been practically exponential. From 3 to 4 liras per dollar took 2 years starting in 2016, while the currency fell from 10 to 15 liras per dollar in less than 6 weeks starting in November. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to the channel.